prefer to read a newspaper or magazine? I'll go for reading magazines in my spare time because they have in-depth information on specific topics and my go-to choice is sports. As for news updates, I prefer watching TV to reading newspaper. Did you read comic books as a child? Yes, I was a big fan of comic books when I was a kid, and my all-time favorite series was Doraemon, a Japanese series. I believe that almost all Vietnamese children read those comic books because they're exhilarating storylines and vivid illustrations. Are newspapers popular in Vietnam? I believe that these days, printed newspaper cannot gain as much popularity as they used to in the former days. I mean, many of the elderly in Vietnam still read newspaper as a means of news updates, but youngsters tend to read online more. Do Vietnamese people like reading magazines or books more? I think it depends. Generally, old people love books, while young people prefer magazines because magazines have more information about fashion, technology, music, They have what youngsters usually care about.